I made my first roti with my mother's guidance when I was 8 or 9. I remember her telling me 1 pound of flour equals 1 roti and use your index and middle finger to measure the baking powder. Add some oil to the dough, she said, to help with the texture, then massage that dough until it's nice and stretchy. Then squeeze the dough through your thumb and index finger, pull it off, and that will be your loy. She showed me how to keep the roti round, yes, even for when I'm making the loys. Then oil, a dusting of flour, and a cone for all the layered goodness that roti has. Although we just call this flatbread roti or oil roti in Guyana, and sometimes we call it paratha, it is very similar to kurla paratha or roti canai. Why this South Indian paratha became popular when most of the Indians who came to Guyana were from North India, I don't really know. But I do know that we always clap the roti with our palms, not your whole hand, to release the layers. And the texture of this beautiful Guyanese roti is always soft, and the layers are always plentiful, perfect for curries and stews.